Day number 5. I'm excited right now. Happy Friday, 15-day video Decentraland challenge where we buy it for 15 straight days and we'll add it in the captain's spreadsheet. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. I took a look at the Miller Lite metaverse. It looks pretty snappy, and I look even more. Decentraland is all over this. This is the future, guys. It may be a little bit too early for some, but this is where we're headed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, Decentraland is down in price right now. That is awesome. I know you're probably thinking, it's down in price. Is that good? Well, it is. It is a positive thing, which means you can go ahead and actually get a better position or add more to your position. So go to the captain spreadsheet. We've been buying it for 4 straight days. Now, somebody answered in the comment saying, why are you doing this for 15 straight days? Well, here's the thing. If I just bought 1,000 at the price of $3.43, well, here's the thing. It's all about dollar cost average. I might have missed out on an opportunity of $3.22. And it's not just buying, it's also researching as well and educating on one project for 15 straight days. So then you're like, all right, I'm following Decentraland like a hawk. And so I'm looking at the charts, I'm looking at the price, I'm looking at the utility, I'm looking at actually the captain spreadsheet. So I'm looking and I'm analyzing. Okay, we got it at $3.43. Now it's at $3.22. Hey, maybe we should buy a little bit more than we did before. Dollar cost average. That's all it is. So it's educating yourself in terms of, how to research projects and to how to track your actually assets as well. So we're going to get it on good old Ethereum again. It's down 98%. Let's say $200 again. Let me see how much that will be. We're going to swap Ethereum for Decentraland because that's the plan. Okay, so now I'll get 60. We'll get 60. But what happens if I did 300? How much do we get? How much do we get? How much do we get? So we may break into the 91 category. So if we get 300 here, let me look here. Let's go for that. Let's go for 300. We're going to swap Ethereum for Decentraland. I do believe Decentraland will be involved, fully involved in most things considered metaverse. Them in the sandbox, I think the 2 top metaverse projects you can really get involved with. And I'm thinking about doing a sandbox, also a challenge as well. I was just trying to bring it out. So 91.19, let's go ahead and get it in there. 91.19, $300, and we got it on $3.28. Now we have 283. Now our goal is 1,000 Decentraland tokens, and we still have about 700 left. As the price continue going down, if it does, we'll probably add more to our position. I know, just get what you can afford. You don't necessarily have to do what I'm doing, but I see Decentraland being, I see Decentraland being like, they only have a 2 billion supply. In terms of that, this thing could be $50 in the future, maybe in $100 in the future. I mean, think about it. If we headed to this type of stuff here, and this is just my opinion, no financial advice, this thing could be a $50, maybe $100 down the road. Remember, this captain spreadsheet is not about this year. This is not a trade this year. This is loading up now and then waiting for about a year or so and coming back to something like this. So this is not something that I'm going to look to take profit. No, because Decentraland is still to me in its beginning stages. Even though if I go back and look here and I see 2017, they didn't really start really developing in terms of the price movement until last year. So you got to give it some chance. This has been a great buying. Look at this. It was 4 cents at one time. Look at this. This is why you jump on projects that you like early. To me, I still think this is early. Imagine if you would have got a bunch of it here. You would be smiling right now to the bank account. So let me go and look at the captain spreadsheet again. We've got 950 that we spent so far. Most of that's been swapping with Ethereum, and I can't wait to get it. Let's see, buying the dip. Just saw the Miller Lite metaverse. So yes, buying the dip here. We're going to be buying tomorrow as well. If it continues dropping, we may get a little bit more to our position. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Day number 5 is in the book. We'll be back February 12th, 2022. Thank you so much. Click on the link below if you want to be access to Coinbase.com. It's very simple and very easy to do. And once again, thank you, Hector AB, for creating the captain spreadsheet for this one here. And we're still trying to decide which next month challenge it's going to be. There's a couple of really good nominees out there, so let me know which one you would like us to cover, and we'll see what we can do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.